Hi there, I'm Alex from Terry Hendricks Ford, and this is our 2018 Ford Expedition. Just going to give you a quick little walk around video here at the vehicle, kind of let you see overall condition before you come out and take a look at it. Tires here, plenty of tread left. Come around here to the inside. Interior, no stains, no odors, anything that I really see standing out to me. Has the cameras, all the goodies. Mileage on it, 17,191. A couple things I did notice here. Two little door dings right there in the door. Here to the back for you. Does have the large panoramic sunroof. The passenger seating. Body wise, very clean. The other thing I did notice, one other little nick right there. So, any questions? If you'd like more information, more pictures, another video, please let me know. I'll be happy to get it for you. Thanks, and have a great day.